Can't delete or edit photos on your Canon camera because they're protected? That's because it's locked. To remove that protection, you need to unprotect the image first. In this video, I'll show you how to unprotect any image on your Canon camera. Let's unprotect them right now. Method 1. Using playback button. First, turn on your camera. Then press the playback button to view the photo. Then find the photo you want to unprotect. After that, press on the Q button. On the top left, you will get the Protect option. Make sure to select this option. Then select Disable. Now press the Set button to unprotect this picture. Method 2. Using the menu option. Turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Next, go to the playback icon 1. Now make sure to select the Protect image. Now look at the bottom. Here you will see the Unprotect all images on card. Select this option. Then press the Set button. Next, select OK. Now again press the Set button. And here, all your images are unprotected. And that's it. This is how you can unprotect any image on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.